In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text on Wix website. Adding clear, well-styled text is one of the fastest ways to make your pages look polished and easy to read. I'll walk you through placing a title on your page and customizing how it looks so it matches your site's design and brand voice. We'll keep things simple and focused so you can repeat the process anywhere on your site. Start by opening your Wix editor. To add something new to the page, click the plus icon, which opens the Elements panel. This is where all the building blocks of your site live, and text is one of the most essential. Next, choose text from the Elements panel. You'll see different categories for how text can appear. For this demonstration, we're using titles, which are perfect for headlines, section headers, and anything that needs to stand out and guide visitors through your content. Pick a title preset you like, then drag and drop it onto your page. Place it where it makes sense in your layout, above a section, as a hero headline, or as a clear label for the content that follows. Take a moment to line it up with your grid or guide so it feels balanced on the page. Click the text box and select Edit Text. This opens the text settings where you can replace the placeholder with your own words. Keep your headline short and meaningful so it communicates value at a glance. You can also adjust basic formatting here as needed while keeping things consistent with your overall design. To refine the look, select Style. Styles help you maintain a unified typographic system across your site. If your theme already defines heading styles, applying the right one here ensures your titles match elsewhere automatically, saving time and preserving consistency. Now, select Fonts. Choose a font family that reflects your brand and remains readable on different screens. If your site already uses a primary font, stick with it for cohesion. Decorative fonts can work for large titles, but prioritize clarity, especially for users on smaller devices. Finally, change the font size so your title has the right visual weight. Make it large enough to establish hierarchy without overwhelming the layout. Aim for strong contrast with the background and adequate spacing from nearby elements so the text breathes and stays legible. That's it. You added a title, edited the content, and styled it with the right theme, font, and size. Use the same flow anywhere on your site to keep your pages consistent, readable, and professional.